Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up TP-Link Deco XE75. Let's get into it right now. In the box, besides of the Deco unit itself, you will find the power adapter for this unit and the Ethernet cable to connect to the internet. So what you need to do first is power on your Deco. There are no power buttons on the body, so you need to plug in the power adapter to the power socket on the Deco unit, and the other end plug in to the power outlet on your wall or somewhere else. Next, let's connect the Deco to the internet. So you have this Ethernet cable over here and 3 ports on the back panel. You can use any of that ports. Each of them can serve you as input or output. So let's plug in the power cable here, and the other end of this cable you need to plug in to your internet source. It can be your Wi-Fi router, it can be your modem or LAN socket in the wall. So connect the Ethernet cable. And now, before starting connection, you need to see blinking blue Wi-Fi indicator over here. But while you're waiting, you can continue on your smartphone. You have to install an application. The application is named Surprise TP-Link Deco. It's available in App Store and Google Play Store, but for smartphones only. You can't manage this device from your computer, so we have to use smartphone. Once installed, open the application, allow to send notifications. This is a useful feature in this case. Also agree to the terms and conditions, continue, allow to find devices on local networks, to find your Deco, so hit allow over here. Next, you have to log into your TP-Link account or create one if you don't have. Let me just log into mine. Account creation is super simple, so let's don't waste time to describe this step in this video. Just create an account, log in, and let's continue. Let's skip two-step verification for now, maybe later. We can do it in settings after we connect the Deco. And now let's begin. Allow to find Bluetooth devices. Now it's looking for Deco. If your Deco can't be found for a long time, you have two options. The first one is scan the product label on the bottom of your device. To do this, just tap on this scanner icon, open camera and scan, allow access to camera, tap on got it, and just scan the product label. Now your Deco is found. You can tap on set up this Deco right away, but let me show you the second option. The second option is connect to your Deco menu. To do this, you need to open your Wi-Fi settings and find the network called Deco. If you don't see Deco network over here, just refresh your Wi-Fi, disable and enable again. You will find the Deco network and connect to it manually without password, and continue in application. So tap on set up this Deco. Deco wants to join Wi-Fi network. Yes, of course. Well, now it's connected. Let's set up the Deco. Let's create a network. I see this style copy configuration settings from another network because I have backup. I had the Deco system before and I'm suggested to restore my network settings. But for this example, let's create a new network because I suggest your Deco is brand new. So let's create a network. Connect your Deco to your modem via an Ethernet cable, already done. So let's tap on this arrow, restart your modem or router. Once you've done it, tap on modem, restart it. And now where do you place this Deco? Select your room or enter the custom name for this Deco like this. Let it be just in living room. Tap on next. You don't have to change anything here and everything is detected automatically. If you are an advanced user, you can go to advanced settings and adjust them over here, but I don't see a reason to do this right now. So hit next and let's name your network. Let's name it Deco Network. You can enter any name you want and create password. You have to enter at least 8 symbols. Use stronger password than in this example. Hit return once you're done and hit next. Now it's creating your Wi-Fi network, so just wait until this line fills and you're all set. Deco wants to join Wi-Fi network, Deco network. So this means that the application wants to access your new network. Let's allow it. Well, now your Deco network is up and running, and if you have more Deco units, you can add them to network as the signal extenders. And what I like especially in TP-Link Deco is that you can combine different models of Deco in one mesh network. To connect another Deco unit, just power it on, just like the first one, and connect it to the internet. You don't have to connect the second Deco and the third Deco and other Decos via Ethernet cable, but if you have an option to connect them together with an Ethernet cable, it's always faster than wireless network. So if you have such an option, just do it. But in this example, I will show you the wireless connection to simplify our tutorial. So let's add another Deco. Select your home configuration, 1 floor, 2 floors, or 3+ floors. Let me select just 1 floor. And this is the recommendation about how to place your Decos for different home configurations. Like this. Tap on this arrow, place out in the open space, away from large electrical appliances like microwave, ovens, and so on. And now plug in your Deco and tap the next arrow. Make sure you have this blue Wi-Fi indicator. It should be flashing. Now your Deco is found. Tap on add this device. Select location. Let it be for bedroom. Tap on this arrow. It's appliance settings. And hit done. But you can add up to 200 devices to this main Deco, to this model. Keep in mind that the internet speed is also dependent of the secondary Decos, because if this Deco can broadcast the internet on the speed of 5.4 gigabits per second, another Decos may be slower. So now you are in the home screen of the TP-Link application. The main control elements here are Wi-Fi settings, where you can change your Wi-Fi network name and password and separate or disable 2.4 or 5 GHz network. The second important control element is the style with your network configuration, so you can manage your network entirely or each device separately. Over here also, take a look at the bottom panel. You can manage your security settings, parental controls, and more settings. Lots of them, so browse it by yourself. And for now, this is all, because now we are connected, your mesh system is set up. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.